Today I brought you another recipe how you can make your chicken meat pie. This is very easy recipe. It's well explained and well detailed. So all you need to do is just to sit back and watch it. You can see the turnout so good. Okay, I'm gonna guide you through how you can make yours. This is very easy, just as I said. All you needed is just follow the steps and you will get it the same way I got mine. Okay, so today I want to welcome you. If today is your first time seeing my video, this is Clattery. You are highly welcome. Please sit back and watch my video, and remember, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like my video, comment, and please share. Thank you for coming by. And for my returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for always tagging along with me. Thank you, I really appreciate. Thank you. So I will start with the filling. I added the oil, vegetable oil, and I added 1 cup of sliced onion. So I'll fry it a bit. And here I'm adding my minced chicken breast. So I'll be listing out the right measurement of the ingredient that I use for this recipe. Please feel free to check out the caption. Here I added my peri-peri seasoning. If you don't have it, you can use any seasoning of your choice. I added the salt. I added thyme. So all these seasoning and spices are your choice, so add according to your taste. So don't worry what I was using here. You can use any seasoning of your choice to make yours. Just work according to your taste. It's still good to go. So I added 1 cup of water. And I'll mix everything to well combine. So remember to add the water bit by bit so that you don't overwater it. And remember, this is chicken breast. You don't need to cook it for a long time. It's so easy to cook. I added this mixed cornstarch. So I added my minced vegetables. So I added 2 cups of minced vegetables. So these are optional. It must not be vegetable inside, but if you want, you can add it on. If you don't want, you can choose to exclude it. I added my curry. So mix everything to well combine. So when you are doing this with chicken breast, remember, don't overcook it. Yeah, chicken breast don't take time, and it's done. Now I finished. Now I'm moving to the dough. I'm using 2 kg of all-purpose flour. I added 1/2 cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of baking powder and 1 whole egg. So I like to use a lot of margarine when making meat pie. So here I'm using 400 grams of margarine. Yes, if you don't like margarine, you can use butter, but I prefer to use margarine when I'm making meat pie because the texture is quite different. So you have to mix it until it becomes so crumbly, like breadcrumbs. Then I start adding my milk bit by bit. So I added 2 cups of milk, but if you don't have milk, you can use water. So please add it bit by bit, and as you're adding, keep mixing. When it forms the dough, you have to stop because if you put too much, it will become so sticky. So if you are seeing my video for the first time, please like my video, subscribe, like my video, comment, and please share. So you can see it's already formed the dough, and now is the cutting time. So I spread my flour, so I'll be rolling it out. So at this time you can do your own cutting based on what you want. So I prefer to roll it out and use another cutting mode for it. So you can roll it out as you want, and then I'm gonna be using this cutting mode for my chicken meat pie. So I'll dice it out. So at this time you can understand and you will agree with me that it's very easy to make your own chicken meat pie. You see how it came out so well. You can see the texture is amazing. That's why I like using margarine. You see how the texture looks like? You can see. So I'll be brushing it off with egg wash. So at this time, ready to bake it. I'll be baking it for 20 minutes under 160 degrees Celsius. So after baking, you can see the texture. You can see my meat pie is ready. This is chicken meat pie. All good to go. I hope you'll give this a try. Let me know in a comment section. If you have any question, you let me know. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Please remember to like my video. Yes, like my video, comment, and please share so that others will see. You can see it's amazing. The texture is so good and it tastes so great. Hope you'll give it a try. See you again on my next video. Bye.